Okay. Okay, there's a stupid Englishman over there. I'm about to go and kill him for the revenge of the Taliban. Okay, shh. Keep quiet. Taliban, I'm Taliban. Come back to Taliban base now. Come back to Taliban base now. Don't do what I say or die. Down in there. Down. Down.
You know what killed the Taliban?
What? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Dude, that's true camcorder. See, I'm awesome.
Kill the Taliban.
Yeah, I know. It's about to get up and kill me. See? The Taliban never win.